In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to GoHighLevel Form Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place HTML, CSS, and, when supported, JavaScript inside your form, how to preview it safely, and how to publish with confidence. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing into your account dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Sites. This is where all your web assets live, including funnels and forms. Open Forms to see your list of forms, then select the one you want to edit. If you're unsure which form to choose, glance at the name or last edited date to confirm you've got the right one. Click Edit to enter the form builder. This is your visual workspace where you'll add fields, adjust layout, and place any custom code blocks. Inside the builder, locate the custom HTML element and drag it onto your form. Think about placement before you drop it. Above the fold for trust badges or custom headers, near the submit button for validation messages, or below the form for disclaimers. Keep the mobile layout in mind so important elements don't push the submit button too far down on small screens. Click into the HTML editor and paste your custom code. You can include plain HTML for structure, CSS inside style tags for styling, and JavaScript if your account and the form environment support it. Keep scripts lightweight and use HTTPS for any external resources. Avoid code that conflicts with existing form scripts. And namespace your CSS to prevent unintended styling changes. Drag the element to fine-tune its position, and adjust padding or margins to keep spacing clean and readable. Small visual details help usability and reduce drop-off. When you're happy with placement, click Save. Next, hit Preview to see your changes in action. Test both desktop and mobile views. Look for layout shifts, and watch for any console errors if your code includes scripts. If something looks off, jump back, tweak, and save again. When everything looks good, publish or embed the form on your funnel or website. Use the standard embed or publish options provided by GoHighLevel so your form tracks and submits correctly. Finally, test the functionality end-to-end. Fill out the form like a real user, confirm that custom styles load, scripts behave as expected, and submissions arrive where they should. Make adjustments as needed, then you're done. Thanks for watching and happy building!